what's up guys? Mike from the driveway. Today we got a Tesla Model 3 in. It's getting some coilovers from Mountain Pass Performance, also made by KW. So I just got the original top hat onto the coilover strut. One thing I did want to show is, since it is made by KW, the strut is made out of full stainless steel, which makes it more corrosion resistant and more durable. So I just got the rear springs off the Tesla Model 3. I just want to put it side by side to compare against the Mountain Pass Performance spring. Notice how it has a nice blue finish and ride height adjustability. I also wanted to show the factory shock compared to the Mountain Pass Performance shock. Notice it has compression and rebound adjustments. We just replaced all 4 coils on the Tesla. Now we're moving on to the rear control arms. We're replacing the stock factory Tesla arms with the Mountain Pass Performance rear control arm set. These billet aluminum control arms from Mountain Pass Performance allow more adjustability and come with spherical bearings that replace the soft original bushings. Thank you for watching this install video. We hope you enjoyed it. Stay tuned for more content and see you next time.